Well, that's just some of the excitement we have to share on the river. However, we offer a lot more at Chilliwack River Rafting than just great whitewater adventure. Whether you are looking for fun and laughter, a weekend of camping with friends and family, camaraderie and bonding with colleagues, or just a great Monday morning story to share at the office, we promise not to disappoint. Located an hour and a half from Vancouver in Chilliwack, BC, we're open 7 days a week from May to October and by appointment year-round. Our 2 Chilliwack River raft trips range from a relatively moderate trip on the Classic or continuous action in the Chilliwack Canyon. As the river gets lower, we bring out inflatable kayaks on the Classic run. These are awesome. Give it a try or stay on the raft. It's all included. If you want more aggression, we offer a 14-kilometer whitewater kayak tour. For this trip, you have to be able to swim, but you don't need kayak experience. We'll be there to take care of you. Our trained and certified guides will steer you towards the trip that most suits your ability and comfort levels.
It's a rough job, somebody's got to do it.
It's your choice, and your guide's friendly, relaxed manner should make this the easiest decision of your summer. But first, you'll have to don the required gear. Wetsuits, life jackets, and helmets.
Everybody's going to wear a suit without arms. If you think you're going to be cold, then take the rubber jacket out. The helmets are fully adjustable at the back, like a baseball hat. Okay? Now, everybody does get a fully adjustable life jacket. I promise it will fit you. Good afternoon, my name is Sasha, I'm one of the guides here. Welcome to Chilliwack River Rafting. There's a couple things you guys need to know.
At the river, your guide will go through a safety briefing and check your gear. Meet the people on your raft, and you'll get a chance to practice.
Stop, move right. Very good. Back up, Bill. Forward paddle, please. Stop, move left. Back up, ladies. Forward paddle. Stop. Godzilla. Back up.
Coming out, party.
Then you're off, down fast-flowing rapids amid snow-capped mountains and beautiful landscapes. There's extra adventure at Chilliwack River Rafting. During your trip, we host a cliff jump, waterfall walk, or supervised rapid swim. Go for it, or just relax and watch the action. Chilliwack River Rafting has been in business for 9 years, and we take great pride in our safety record. Most of our guides have many years' experience and must complete written and on-river tests to become certified. A safety kayak escorts every Chilliwack trip. You can choose to moderate your trip even more by shuttling around the biggest rapids. It's your choice, and if you are nervous, this is a good option. Rapids are graded internationally from a Class 1, being like a bathtub, up to a Class 6 like Niagara Falls. Most of our trips are on Class 2 to 4 rapids and can be navigated relatively safely. Whatever your ability, we have a trip for you. After your trip, back at camp, exhilarated and relaxed from a day on the river, rafters can devour a home-cooked meal. Freshen up with a hot shower and swap stories of the day's experience. We have 5 private acres beside the Chilliwack River. There's grassy areas for camping, group fire pits, a volleyball court, and a sauna. You can enjoy beach volleyball, frisbee, hacky sack, fireside companionship, and maybe even a little bit of life on the wild side. Then, after a night's sleep, with the river gurgling off in the background, there's morning breakfast home. People sometimes ask if they can sleep in, but with this much excitement going on, it's hard to do. Our guests are families, friends, co-workers, corporate groups, and clubs.
We are number one!
They're all looking for the same thing. Some teamwork, some adrenaline,
I'm alive!
excitement, good company.
Wet and wild.
So what are you looking for this summer at your event? We think you'll find it here at Chilliwack River Rafting. Call us.
We had an amazing time. Oh my god. Smiles, laughter, fun, all the best pieces of the trip were all in the water, and we're just wrapping up now. We just had a brilliant time. It was amazing.
I love Mark. He's got such a serious face, and then you know that at the second he's going to turn around and say something really funny and off the wall or like rude or something.
It was awesome.
Good. Definitely good. Lots of single people here.
The guides were awesome. They were really great.
Adam was awesome. He was very professional, real fun. He got us going. It was awesome.
We did the classic, and our hero just brought us through faithfully.
Who's your hero?
Rebecca. Dear
It was excellent. It was filled with adventure and water.